Good morning, you guys. Welcome to my future success. You guys, I just want to go over price action right now, and I do want to see about getting into a trade over here with this sell-off. But guys, if you ended up finding it difficult this morning with a lot of chop in the market here, this is the exact price action, and honestly, every single signal that was populated. You know, sell signal, winning trade, buy signal, winning trade, buy signal, winning trade, sell signal, win. This was just the one loss. So out of 5 trades, it won 4 and just lost 1. And the losing one here was only for 7.5 points. Entry had to exit out. This one, all these other targets absolutely got hit. So if you guys are following these metrics and you have these metrics and didn't make money this morning off of these signals, I want you to go back and look at exactly what happened, because every single one of these, by just literally clicking sell when it says sell and hitting our target for 5 points on the 1 minute time frame, it ended up hitting that every single time for these 4, and it was just this one here that was 750. So 5, 10, 15, 20. This is 20 up, basically 7 down. That's 13 points. And if you trade with 2 contracts, that's 13 times 4. That's $520 if I'm doing my math right. I'm not the greatest at math, but you guys take a look at this. Right now, what are we seeing here? This is all red. My mind's saying red background, red profit wave, red bearish candles here. Our money momentum down here is going lower. We're about to break a level of support. It's like this is where this could just shoot down even further and just keep going and going. Is there a level of support here to the left? There's a couple areas here that it's pushed back up. So I just want to wait a second and see what actually happens at this point. So if it shoots back up, it's totally okay, which guess what? It's doing that right now. Let's zoom this in. Like literally guys, let's zoom this in like this so you guys can see the narrative of everything that I'm looking at this morning. And if I feel confident with this, I want to enter in on a trade over here so you guys can see this on my take profit accounts. But let's just let this run here for a second and see what ends up happening. If we end up getting a switch over, triple G's, triple R's, if this switches back over to green over here and we get that first triple G or triple R, guys, look at this. This is what you can play. Not only can you take these buy or sell signals, this is our entry, this is our stop loss. It's literally telling us to put a stop loss here. What happened right after? 10.5 points. 10.5 points is right at this area, and it ended up running and smashed that target right there. So that's another winning trade. You go back here even further. It's like, where's another one? This is a big one here, but it's okay. Look at this. Entry is right at this level. This is so much fun. I love doing this with you guys. Entry's right here. This is our stop loss. 29. Okay, 29 points. That's huge. Double it. Where's 29? Right here. So you're telling me you just made 30 points just off of that with a triple G with background first bullish candle in another. So, okay, one more. I promise, and I'll get back to it. 26. 26 up. 26 down. Target hit. Absolutely incredible. So that's what I'm looking at. If we end up switching back over here and coming back up, that's what I want to be looking to see if we can get a triple G in the opposite direction. Now look at this too. Price actions all overall going down, right? This is stepping up. So money overall is making a higher low as price action is almost kind of consolidating here or making a lower low. So just as we're saying, guys, this is live. I can't make this up. Literally, I can't even do replay. So if I were to go to bar replay here, I can't even go back. It's forbidden to do it on Hiekin Ashi candles. So everything you see here is live narrated. So I'm going to wait a second, be patient on this and see if it switches over. I got a funny story for you guys in the meantime. Last night, first night that we were in our new place, and it started raining and chucking it down. I'm like, oh my gosh, like, what did I leave out? What did I do? This is at 2 a.m. in the morning. I was like, oh shoot. I think I went to the pub last night, put the moonroof down. It's wide open, and I think it's outside. 57 seconds left. Guys, we might be able to get this. Hold on. I got to finish the story first. I went back, and I'm like, 2 a.m. Oh my gosh, I left it open. I had to run out there, and you know what you wear when you go to bed. Run outside. I'm getting drenched, soaked at the same time. I put my hand over a car, and I'm like, oh my gosh, thank goodness I didn't have it. Luckily, I closed it, but I've always had that fear. If you guys have ever had that fear, leave it in the comments below, because sometimes it's super crazy. All right, let's do this together. We're just going to do this. Let's have some fun right now. Stop loss right here. 21 seconds left. We're going to enter in right on this candle right here, and we're going to see what happens. Let's just do this here live, right with you, and see what happens. 11 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enter market, just like that. What are we going to do? Okay, so here's our entry one on this point. Technically speaking, what is our risk right now? So our risk is going to be about 12.5 points. To put this up tier, where are we looking at? 12.5 is going to be right around this area here. So this is going to be 707.25. Let's go over here. Oh, shoot. I think I have this over here. 707.25. Don't you do this. It's going to close it out already. 1 second. So, what the? I wasn't even ready to even close it out yet. Okay. Dang it. I didn't even get what I was trying to go for. Okay, how much did we make just right then? $200. Shoot. Okay. I should have moved that up a bit. So there's a $200 profit just like that. But let's just see how this pans out, because I want to see if this comes up a little bit further to see if this closes out. I shouldn't have had that over there. Well, at least that closed it out for winner. Look at this. And then it's going to keep going even further. Oh my gosh. Talk about a live thing right here now, just trying to... Okay, go straight up. Yep, of course you're going to do that. Look at the price action. That would have been like $400 instead of $200. Oh my gosh. I need to do this. You know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to adjust my 8 and smashed it through the target. Of course it did. Of course it just went right up through the thing I did. Well, there's a live trade for you guys. There's $200, which should have been actually $400. When you're doing this, it's triple R's or triple G's. I mean, literally, guys, look at this. I can't make this up. There we go. Risk to reward, 12.5. Where's the target? 12.5. And 12.5. Did it hit? Absolutely. It actually ended up hitting even further, and it came up here to 708.75. We only needed this to go to 706. So everyone using these metrics, not even on a buy or sell signal, that is exactly how to use this method. Just make sure that your take profit over here is not already preset from the day before to pull out the 5 points to get the $200. So I'm still happy with it. Guys, I'm just going to call it a day on that trade. That was great. It went in. You made money. Honestly, that's how much I would have made if I was trading or if I was working at Costco as my first job in 9 hours. And I've been doing this video for 7 minutes. So I'll take a 7-minute, 9-hour day. So, all right, guys, if you have any questions or comments, if you haven't done so, guys, just head over to My Future Success. You guys can literally grab access, lifetime access to all of this. Take a look at a lot of people that have already passed their prop firm accounts. I'm just having a really good and fun time with you guys. 2 one-on-one trainings yesterday, met some incredible people. I have 2 more one-on-one trainings today. If you guys want to get on my books, please get on my books. Like, I am having just so much fun. Look at some of the reviews over here. The best ever also works for swing trading. So if you guys are swing trading and you don't have time to be able to get in and get out really quick in the market, these metrics work really good on the 4-hour time frame. Great customer service, and these alerts work extremely well. Thank you so much. I mean, other people making $700, some people making over thousands of dollars, passing 50K accounts, passing 150K accounts. If you guys need anything, please let me know. I'm always here for you. But there it is. And of course, it just keeps going. Of course, that keeps going. All right, guys. Have a good rest of your day. Take care. God bless. I'll see you guys here tomorrow.